Millennials stand out for their technology use, but older generations also embrace digital life. Millennials have often led older Americans in their adaptation and use of technology, and this largely holds true today. But there has been significant growth in tech adaptation since 2012 among older generations, particularly general users and baby boomers. More than 9 in 10 millennials, or 93% of those who turn ages 23 to 38 this year, own smartphones, compared with 90% of general users those ages 39 to 54 this year. 68% of baby boomers ages 55 to 73 and 40% of the silent generation 74 to 91, according to a new analysis of a Pew Research Center survey of U.S. adults conducted in early 2019. Similarly, the vast majority of millennials, 86%, say they use social media compared with smaller shares among older generations, while the share of millennials who say they use social media has remained largely unchanged since 2012 rather. The shares of Gen Zers, Boomers, and Silent who use social media all have increased by at least 10 percentage points during this period. Unlike with smartphones and social media, tablet ownership is now comparable across generations. Today, 55% of Gen users, 50% of millennials, and 52% of boomers say they own tablets. A smaller share of silent 33% report owning tablets. Those in the silent generation also lag when it comes to having broadband service at home, whereas most millennials 78%, Gen users 78%, and boomers 74%, they say they subscribe to home broadband. Fewer than half of silent 45% say this. In terms of specific platforms, around 3 to 4 of more of both millennials and Gen users now report using Facebook, 84% versus 74% respectively. Silents have both increased their Facebook use by double digits since 2015. In fact, the share of silents using Facebook has nearly doubled in the past 4 years, from 22% to 37%. Almost of millennials, nearly 100%, now say they use the internet, and 19% of them are smartphone-only internet user. That is, they own a smartphone but do not have broadband internet service at home. Large shares of Gen users, 91%, and boomers, 85%, use the internet compared with just 62% of silents. When it comes to smartphone-only internet users, 70% of Gen users go online primarily via a smartphone, as do 11% of boomers and 15% of silent. Baby boomers continue to trail both Gen Zers and millennials on most measures of technology adoption, but adoption rates for this group have been growing rapidly in recent years. For example, boomers are now far more likely to own a smartphone than they were in 2011. Although boomers have been adopting a range of technologies in recent years, members of the silent generation are less likely to have done so. 4 in 10 silent